how to change like button to follow button on Facebook page. So right now, as you can see guys, this is my Facebook page, and when I tap these three dots and when I press this option view as, you will find my page has a like button, and I want to change this like button to a follow button. But the thing is that before, like 1 year ago, it was possible, but right now Facebook has changed it. So right now you can't. So if you want to follow a page, you simply have to press the like button. So this like button right now, if you press any like button in a page, this works as a follow button as well. So when you like a page, you will follow the page as well. So this button is basically follow and like at the same time. But the thing is that you can't change to follow button. It is not possible anymore. Before it was possible, but right now Facebook has updated their pages policy. And the thing is that there is no such way you can change it to follow button. But you will find pages, old pages, where you will find a follow button. But if your page is new and you have changed your old pages to like, you can't change to follow anymore. Okay, so hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and have a great day.